So I'm looking real cute, you feel me? If you like this install, no, I'm playing. It's time for a new install, period. That's why I'm looking like this.
Do what you wanna do. Do what you wanna do. Let's go, girl. Drop it to the floor, girl. Yes, go, well. Do what you wanna do. Do what you wanna do. Do what you wanna do. Let's go. She said this my party.
Oof. So anyways, Slove Hair sent me this wig, you guys, and I already opened it, but let me show y'all. It's a 613 now. Ooh, it's long, y'all. It's long. Ooh, it's long. Okay, so with blonde wigs, oh, and it came with this, which is different. I've never gotten a wig with razors, so I actually use those. I never use these. So, but anyway, so like I was saying, with blonde wigs, it's a little different for me. It's a little different for everybody, I would say, because like it's just different. But anywho's, I can't explain it. It's just like it's always different. It's always different to work with. But so we don't have a lot of parting space to work with. It's literally just these parts right here. And what I mean by parting space is if I part this right here, like you can only part from here to here, from wherever there's lace. So all of this is the only place you can part. Like since this is wig, you can't really part right there. So I wanted to do like a cute little half up, half down. But what I am gonna do is bleach. JK, you don't bleach blonde knots. But I'm gonna turn it into, well, let me show y'all what I'm gonna go for. What am I showing y'all? Oh, okay, so this is what I want to do. Something like this, real cute. Something like that is what I want to do here. But let me show you the color that I try and I'm going to go for. But it's not gonna come out like this. I already know it's not, but I'm gonna show y'all anyways. Looks like a golden little, you can't really see because my camera is cameraing, but you guys, so what I'm gonna use to do this though, so I bought 3 things of this dark blonde because I already used it in my other video, so I know how that's gonna come out. And I bought 1 thing of this golden blonde, which I'm gonna put towards like the top of the hair. So we just gonna get into it and see how it come out, because like I said, blonde hair, it really, like, I can't ever make the hairline like as defined. Like, it just looks like more of a wig is what I'm trying to say than when I do like my colored wigs or whatever. Like, I don't know why, but it just looks more wiggy. But we're just gonna get into it. I'm gonna pluck it. And then too, plucking it is hard because I can't see. Like, you feel me? I'm gonna have to put it on my leg and then pluck from there. Yeah, actually, that's a new look. It's a hack, because you know how if you pluck in a regular wig, I would usually put a white towel over my leg so I could see the difference of the hair underneath, because it's black on white. But so since this is brown, like, I'm gonna just pluck it straight on my leg. Okay. Should I pluck it now? No, I'm gonna dye it first, and then I'm gonna pluck it. I'm just going to put it on my wig cap, and this is like box dye, so I'm literally just gonna put it all over. And then when I get to the top, I'm gonna probably like section out the part at the top of it and like do the top with the last color. But the hair is really nice. It's thick all the way through, you guys. So I'm really excited to do this. I'm hoping I can do a half up, half down, or like a cute little ponytail with the 2. But yeah, this is actually really thick, really good. So I'm excited. So yeah, when I come back, it's gonna be on my head. It's gonna be plucked. No, I'm playing. Not on my head, but it's gonna be plucked. It's gonna be dyed, and it's gonna be ready to install. So bye. Be back, or BRB. Okay, y'all. So I done dyed this wig. I don't really even know if you could tell, but okay. So I done dyed it and everything. So I'm gonna try to make this a talk through video, just because I've never really done none of those. And yeah, there's music being played in another room, so I hope I don't get copyrighted. But I don't think it'll pick it up. But anywho's, so yeah, I already did my wig cap or whatever. Oh, it's slipping out. I use just spray. My father's texting me. Anywho's, okay, so I use Got to Be Glue. I hate doing wig cap methods, but that's the only thing that works. So I'm gonna do like 2 layers because I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is ghetto. I don't understand what the fuck is going on, but it's really pissing me off. Alright. But yeah, so I did this wig color, but I don't know if I'm gonna like it, y'all. I should have did like some dark roots or something. But so I'm only gonna do like 2 layers. It didn't come out quite how I thought it would, but I just should have did darker roots. That's really it. Because obviously I'm not fucking blonde. We gonna make it work, of course, as always, per usual. Okay, so this is drying clear. Okay, y'all, so I'm just about to go ahead and do this. Ooh. This guy's white, y'all. So I'm just gonna very quickly flat iron it, and then I'm gonna be back and take this off, and then we're gonna style it to the edges. Let's see what I'm gonna do to this. Wow, it's like white, like. So you guys, I didn't do the style that I was trying to do because I couldn't, or that's what I thought. Like, looking back at this video, I was like, I definitely could have done it, but I feel like I was just thinking too hard. initially. Like, I was just thinking too much about it. Like, when you be looking at something and the answer be right in your face and you just be overlooking it. It was something like that, because I just ended up leaving it because I was irritated. But I'm just going to show you how I do my regular little baby hairs and my edges, y'all, because I just end up leaving it down. So yeah, I don't talk too much because I really just be concentrating. And at one point I forget why I'm filming. Like, I forget I'm doing a YouTube video, and I get up and I start looking at myself in the mirror. Just anyways, yes. So it's gonna be just like a middle part. That's it. Nothing fancy. But yeah, keep watching.